Soop Sok Karaoke. There are plenty of ways to fill time between feedings, including bowling, Shatto 39 lanes, or billiards, green room, but in K-Town karaoke is the king of pastimes. If you don't mind sharing the mic with strangers, join the nightly sing-alongs at Brass Monkey, which is tucked behind Bank of America and offers prized validated parking. To get more stage time, book a private room. Soop Sok has 23 of which hold up to 30 guests and all of which have access to high-tech disco balls, giant song books featuring Japanese, English, Korean and Chinese versions and tambourines that light up when shaken. Break Room 86, an 80s-themed bar with a full-time Michael Jackson impersonator, is a more trendy option inside the Line Hotel. Its 4 rooms kick it old school with Atari video game systems, handheld Simon Says toys, mini fridges and album cover decor, but also offer bottle service and a fully integrated iPad-operated karaoke controls.